I'm supposed to go get the towel. No, I'm gonna go back and get it now. Oh, you don't need that now? Would you need tomorrow morning? The Moon Man. Yeah, my homeboy in there. All right. We have 3 bathrooms in here that we are tiling from the bedrooms. My main man Felix is going to work. On March the 13th, I'm gonna be. Got an open concept here. As you can see, this is your kitchen area right here. All right. It's a pretty large house, over 2,200 square feet. It's been taking care of everything in here. As you can see now, he's tiling it up. All right, master bedroom now. Look how high the ceilings are. Got high cathedral ceilings. Now here is the master bedrooms in this house. We also have a pocket door, meaning the door is gonna slide inside the wall. We just laid the tile on the floor. Check it out, look at the tile on the floor. Now this is a dual shower. You see you got 2 showers here and one for the meal over here. That's the drain right there. It's gonna go right here. And this is where your dual vanity is gonna go. And you also gonna have it up. Thank you, Monique. All right, so this is, you know I keep the A7 III. This is what you call an A7 III Sony camera, mirrorless, with a 16 to 35 Zeiss lens. Crisp, sharp pictures, and it has a cage on it. And I'm constantly taking pictures and filming. You know why I do that? Because if you're in real estate, you want to be able to show your work. You'll be able to get more deals like that too. Constantly marketing. All right, we just acquisition means buy. We bought 3 pieces of land and we sold them all. Okay, 931-241-9714. I buy cash. The laundry room. Go back and subscribe to Gregory Radford or Radford Homes to see all the work that we put into this. This is where your hot water heater is gonna go. Right? This is where your washer and dryer is gonna go. And you already got your vent for your new door, new window. We made this into a home office. Or you can make it a gym, or you can make it a bedroom. You can make it whatever you want. It's gonna look exactly like the inside of the house. All the electrical, all the electric, taking it up. We put in flat. Here used to be a block wall right here. See, right on the floor. That was an exterior block wall. We knocked that wall down. down there and it sits on that column down there. And that gave us the open. I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes LLC, and my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, husband and the wife. One over there, one over there. Now, we already laid the floor for this one. You know, we laid the floor already. We're going to be putting the wall tile on this. I'm supposed to go get the towel. I'm gonna go back and get it now. Oh, you don't need that now? Would you need it tomorrow morning? Final one. Like a glove. State Farm is there.